And the result of that is Facebook loves rewarding this content because they see the engagement, they see that you're delivering a better on-platform experience, and that resulted in the lowest CPAs we've ever seen, and the CPMs also drop significantly. So in Q1 of 2020, we're going to see that aggressive shift towards the pre-purchase user experience. The signs are all there. We've seen the trajectory coming. And that'll involve giving your customers the absolute best on-platform experience. So what we want to do with our content is we want it to be highly engaging, okay? It's going to be user-generated content, but it's going to be very different to the user-generated content that you guys are running at the moment and that most brands are running. Because at the end of the day, everyone knows that when they leave a website, they're just going to start seeing these iPhone camera testimonial videos that talk about how great the product is and how great the shipping times were. People are becoming numb to that, and it doesn't mean much anymore. So what we need now is human connection, because that's conducive to providing the best possible experience to Facebook users. What we want to do is we want to, with our creatives, give the user the experience of buying the product before they've actually bought it. We want to use really in-depth unboxing videos. We want to do taste testing videos with our supplements. That way the user knows exactly what they're getting and how they're going to get it once they order. So what that looks like, and to illustrate it with the same example, the same supplement client, right? These guys, they got their parents to effectively survey their children sitting in front of like the kitchen counter, and the kids were actually taste testing the supplements and talking about how much they loved it. It was a super cute video, and by doing that, it's a completely new take and a complete flip on what we saw before being just the iPhone testimonial videos. And the result of that is Facebook loves rewarding this content because they see the engagement, they see that you're delivering a better on-platform experience, and that resulted in the lowest CPAs we've ever seen, and the CPMs also drop significantly. Of course, the subsequent result of that is more conversions, more profit, and everyone's happy. All you advertisers make more money, which is great. Plus, this content actually tells the prospect, like I said, exactly what they're buying into, pre-framing the user before they even land on your page and increasing the conversion rates on your page, which is what we want to do at the end of the day. So I really believe that and taking that content-centric approach is how to survive Q1 in 2020.